You've probably seen this play out. A small product team moves fast, ships fast, and grows fast. But then suddenly, they don't. A simple visual update takes 2 sprints. Designers each solve the same problem differently. Developers debate which component version is right. Features fall behind roadmap goals, and product development slows down. At that point, most teams look for a bottleneck. But often, it's not the team, it's the lack of a system. This isn't just about pixel perfection. A design system is about speed. It's how you scale without losing quality. It gives your team the clarity and the tools to move fast and stay aligned. But let's be clear, a design system is not just about Figma file. It's not just a component library either. It's more like Lego, but in code. A system of reusable UI blocks with rules, patterns, conventions, and documentation. Developers implement it straight into the code base. Here's what a great design system gets you: speed, consistency, and innovation. Without a design system, small problems stack up. A dev update takes weeks. Nobody knows which button style is the right one. New hires ask, where do I find this? And nobody really knows. Quality drops. Not because your team lacks skill, but because there's no shared standard. That's when teams come to us. We help assess what's there, what's missing, and how to build a system that actually works for how your team builds. So why do teams wait? Simple. We don't have time. But the longer you wait, the slower things get. Every patch adds friction. Every workaround adds complexity. Even a basic setup can save hours per sprint. A shared language between design and development, one source of truth for UI, and clear roles for updating and maintaining the system. And it's not one and done. A strong system evolves. It needs ownership, regular reviews, and building time to update and refactor. That way, it becomes a lever for brand changes, accessibility, and even product positioning. But avoid the common traps. Don't build it just for designers. Don't skip alignment on terms and patterns. Don't launch it without a maintenance plan. And don't make a library for a system. A solid design system helps your team move faster and build smarter. But it's not a side project. It's an investment with serious return. Need help making it real? That's what we do.